Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit the red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload another video. So, hey everyone, I am back to purchasing. I'm about to go into Homegoods right now. Super excited to see what we can find. Homegoods. Here we go. This is how it is when you walk in. Those are interesting. Those are very interesting. I love the laundry. That is cute. And it's just $10, guys. That is super. Especially if you like gray and cheap. It's affordable, you know. It'll go great. I see why everybody like things in Homegoods. It's my first time being in here. Okay. Interesting. That's kind of unique. Sorry guys, I had the computer here was acting out. You know, this is kind of cute. It's for $6. So, she was going for the glam, but this is cute. Like that. They got one of this, a baby blue color. That's cute too. Something different, you know. I like that couch though. That couch. Ooh, I like the base over here. Let's go over here. Ooh, I like that glow. That glow is cute. I like this. This is definitely cute. How much is this? $5.99. Wow, $5.99 for this? Yeah, $5.99 guys. For that. Sorry guys, a little heavy, so I was trying to hold up as much as I could. I like that. You know, it's $5.99. That is hella cute. What's the difference, guys? Oh, okay. So right now, I'm just browsing around. It's my first time being in here. So. Ooh, I like this one. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And it goes, it's my color scheme too. Ooh, I am liking this. Let's see, at Walmart, they have one big one just like this for $7. Or less than this price. But I really like that though. I like it. I might get it. I might get it. We won't see. But I might get that. That's too cute. Like, tell me that's not too cute. Tell me that's not too cute, guys. I'll put that on my front porch. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna make my own. So we shall see how this turns out. For my welcome sign for outside on my porch. We shall see how this gonna work out. We got some candles out for the fall. The pumpkin candles. Okay. That's cute. Cute, very different and cute. Here's the candle section that everybody likes. This is so cute. I like the way they got this. It's really cute. And now that is for glam ring for real. This is a Chinese for a glam. Look at it, guys. Look at that. So beautiful. Just look at it. Just bam. Yeah. If y'all need a glam room, that's how much it costs, but look. Trust me. No one would knock you, boo-boo. No one would knock you. You better. That's cute. That's cute. That's a lot. That's a statement piece. Now that's just strange, but I like it. It's pretty cool. Let's see how much this is. Sorry, they're moving stuff around here inside the store, so that's all that racket is. But anyway, so this is $14.99. Yeah, I guess. I like these. These are cute. Really cute. $14.99 for those. There's something similar to that. Something similar to this, but a small version, but just silver, which is still beautiful. The candle in it. There's a candle holder, and this one is cheaper, $19.99. That's a good price with that. Okay. That's interesting. I like this cloth. This cloth is cheap. Let me put my cloth on. That cloth is so cute. I'm not get that. I'm gonna get it. If I was into that, I would get it. Okay, let's see what else I got in the store. So if you was into organizing of your doors, right? Some cute stuff for that. Yeah. I'm thinking about getting this. Thinking about getting this stuff. But there's no tag. Look, no tag. Look at that, no tag. Like, come on, people. No tag, really? I guess. Trying to see how to put these on. I like this style because the basket way they didn't use that, so I could do a lot with that. You know. So yeah, black ones here. They got pink one and the black version. All those. And then see, I like this. But I got enough stuff as it isn't organizing from Dollar Tree. Sorry guys, I'm trying to talk through this mask and it's a struggle. Ooh, I like this though. I like that. I like that a lot. Super duper relaxed. I wouldn't mind having it in my vanity area. Like, I really mind having it in my vanity area. Like, I'm mad cute. But how much? Oh, there you go. That is how much it is, and it got a pink version. But yeah. Ooh, cute blue. But how much? Let me see how much this is for this, because I do need some type of organization for all the stuff that I'm gonna start doing and everything. Okay, so I got the price. I'm sorry, I'm struggling. So the price is this. That's how much that is. This is $25. This I found some type of car. I got some car stuff. You probably have seen this with the Homegoods. You already probably have seen some of these items. But different leaf if you're into this type of leaf. But not my style. I like the colors, but not my style. If you can find some more fall stuff. So this witch is crazy looking. Like the world. Okay. That's all I had to say about that. So this is cute. If you're into that type of stuff. Look at these pumpkins. Oh, look at those pumpkins. It's so cute. I'm gonna come back to that because someone's there. So let's go to the next row and see. Bam. So this is the Halloween section. Then it's rose and stuff. Mixture of Halloween. Then fall, November. This one is my style. That is so cute. Sorry guys. That is so cute. These are 14 to like 16. So we got variations. That is too cute and funny. Oh, look. I like that one. I like that one a lot. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it's the Halloween owl. Let's go to the next one, see what they got. Okay. So that's that. Now we're gonna get into some type of fall wreath. So down to the fall wreath. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, this is Volucious.